In a Filipina, I rather to say that Filipina is very hardworking.
Yes.
Very caring.
Yes.
Loving.
Yes.
And you know the pussy? Very elastic. One size fits all.
We're just kidding, we're just kidding.
Have you been to Philippines already, sir?
I'm so sorry.
Sobrang tawa.
Where are you from?
Tama na, tama na, tama.
Bahanin mo muna kasi punyeta kayo. Baka mamaya kayo lang yung nakapunta sa mga ganitong show, nabibigla siya, gago ka.
Kaya nga, inano ko
O
siya.
yun na nga, putak elastic, pussy agad, gago.
I just want to know.
Ano?
Yeah.
Huwag ganon, dandahamin mo naman kasi.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I know that you're shocked. Okay, this is the form of entertainment that we have in the Philippines, okay? But here, we just only talk about it. In the Philippines, we show it, okay? So, don't worry about that.
From what country are you, sir?
Ano na?
Here. Oh, so you must be a British.
Of course!
Very nice.
What?
Pag British, you have to use the O form.
Ano?
Pag nag-British yan, O form ang gamitin mo pag ipag-usap.
Ano O form?
Wala ka.
Oh, tapos?
Excuse me.
Tapos?
Excuse me.
Or?